day everyone, my name is John Cedric B. Montoya from Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management 3H. Professional development offers a wide range in knowledge skill that can help individual growth, both personal and professional. Ito ang mga skill na itinuro at dapat nating apply. Una, industry-specific knowledge. Update in terms, practices. Stay current with changes and advancement in your field. Technical skill. Gain expertise in tools, software, and methodology specific to your industry. Pangalawa, soft skill. Communication skill. Improve your verbal, written, and interpersonal communication. Leadership and management. Learn to how to lead teams and delegate tasks and inspire others. Problem solving and critical thinking. Enhance your ability to analyze situation and make effective decisions. Time management. Develop strategies and minimize your productivity in meet deadlines. Pangatlo, career advancement. Networking build relation with professional in your field. Career planning. Understand to how to create a development plan and seek opportunities for your growth. Certification and qualification. Earn credential to enhance your credibility and expertise. Pang-apat, adaptability. Embracing change. Learn to how navigate transition and challenges effectively. Resilience. Build the ability to recover and grow from setback. Panglima, culture competence. Diversity and inclusion. Understand how to work effectively in diverse environment. Global perspective gain. Gain insight into international practices and cross-cultural collaboration. Pang-anim, technology and innovation. Digital literacy. Stay informed about emerging technology and their application. Innovation skill. Learn to how think creatively and contribute to innovate projects. Self-improvement. Emotional intelligence. Improve your self-awareness and ability to manage. Confidence building. Enhance self-esteem, skill and development recognition. Work-life balance. Learn strategies to maintain mental health and personal well-being. Professional development not only equip and develop individual with practical skill, but also boasts motivation job, satisfaction, and opportunities for long-term success. Thank you, that's all. For again, nagpapasalamat po kay Ma'am Karen Rubio na sa mga tinuro niyo pong bahagi. Sa maliit na panahon, marami po kaming natutunan. Yan lang po.